Hey guys, I'm in Hamilton Township, New Jersey, and today we're going to visit the Weymouth Furnace. So the Weymouth Furnace was an iron smelting furnace that was in business for about 60 years, beginning in the early 1800s. And in fact, a lot of the iron that was produced at this furnace was used for munitions during the War of 1812. The furnace, like I said, was in operation for about 60 years until it finally closed because it couldn't compete with coal-burning furnaces in Pennsylvania. There's not a whole lot to see here, but the ruins that are left are pretty cool to look at. So let's take a look. At the peak of production, this tiny little park area was actually a complete community. There was a schoolhouse here, various shops like a blacksmith. There was housing for all of the workers that worked at the furnace. And of course the owner of the furnace company had a mansion on these grounds somewhere. And there's some more ruins up ahead that I'm about to take a look at. Unfortunately, these ruins are fenced off, as you can see, with a sign saying please keep off. But we can take a closer look down here. There's no information about this particular set of ruins, but considering this is the largest of the ruins that are on this site, I wonder if this was in fact the owner's mansion. Pretty cool. So guys, just a short trip northeast of Weymouth Furnace is the historic Batsto Village. Batsto Village for 101 years, between 1766 and 1867, Batsto Village was an iron and glass making industrial center. But what's cool about it is it's almost perfectly preserved. You can see in the background there the mansion of the owner. And further that way, we'll see it in a minute, are a bunch of houses where the workers used to live. But right now, we're at some kind of barn, and there's lots of old machinery still left to look at, and quite a few buildings in the area. We'll take a look at everything. They even had their own post office. So just to the southwest of the mansion and the rest of the village are all the old houses where the workers of this village used to live. And that's where I'm heading now. So behind me are some of the houses that the workers used to live in. They're all pretty much the same, all the same design. I suspect that at the time that this was actually a working facility, there were probably a lot more of these houses because there's a whole large area of empty land. So chances are there were more of these houses, but these houses are really cool. Cute little design, little bump out for the kitchen, and each house has its own little back porch. How awesome is that? Probably bedrooms on the top level with a family room or a living room and a little bump out for the kitchen, and each house has its own outhouse. What more do you need? This one has an open window. Old wood-burning stove. Very cool. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Just a quick look at two cool historic places down in the Pine Barrens. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. And until I see you next time, go take a hike.